Alright, so I'm starting off with just my current and voltage values labeled in Excel, and I will add the resistance values later. I just don't need them in Excel because I'm not plotting with resistance. So I'm going to insert, I highlight all of my values, insert table. Okay, now there's this table, but it's not complete. I'm going to have to edit this. I'm going to go Control C to copy, and then I'll go to my Word document and click this here. Control, let me take it off italics. Control paste, and here an incomplete table pops up. What I'll do is go to Insert. I will insert a column to the left, and these will be my resistance values. Let me center this and change the layout. Let's see, layout. Oh, hold on. Table design. No, should be under layout. Oh yeah, okay, under layout, go to, with the table selected, go to auto fit window, so things spread out nicely. Try to center this data properly. Okay, and table design, you can just change the design like so. Any design is fine. Changing my font to black so you can see. So I have a heading, resistance, and the symbol for resistance is R. The resistance is measured in units of ohms. So I'll insert the symbol for ohm. If you don't have the capital omega available, just go into the Greek and Coptic subset and choose omega. It'll be capital Greek, capital letter omega, insert, oops, sorry, resistance. The symbol goes here, R/unit. And then remember to input the uncertainty. So for the resistance values, they're labeled in sets of plus or minus 0.5 ohms. So go to symbol again, put your delta symbol in there, delta resistance, sorry, the uncertainty in the resistance values is equal to, put a different symbol in, the plus or minus symbol, plus or minus 0.5 ohms. Current, this is capital I/ampere for the unit, and the uncertainty in the current is equal to plus or minus 0.01 amps was the smallest reading you could obtain. And finally, the voltage should be capitalized. Symbol for voltage is V, slash, the unit is V. The uncertainty in the voltage, insert your symbol, delta V, is equal to plus or minus 0.01 volts is the smallest reading on the voltmeter, and then you'll just input your corresponding resistance values here, and that's all I have for this video. Thanks for watching.